Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix the first Descendant is not launching or not opening on your PC. So I will show you guys the 5 effective solution to fix this problem, so make sure you watch this entire video. So first right click on the taskbar and open up your task manager. Here you just need to search for the first Descendant and the Steam. So guys, once you find it, you have to right click on that, simply click on the end task and close these from the task manager. So guys, once you do that, you have to just open up the Steam, open up the first scan and game, see your problem is fixed or not. And guys, if your problem is not fixed, then open up the Steam, just click on the first scan and game. So I have downloading, I can just show you with this game example. Click on the gear icon, go to the properties, click on the installed files. Then click on the browse option. Now guys, from here you just need to right click on the first scanner game launcher and you will see the properties. Just click on that, just click on the compatibility. Here you will see the compatibility mode. So guys, you just need to make sure that this option is checked and choose here the Windows 8. And then check this box of the disable full screen optimization and run as administrator. So guys, these are the very important settings that you need to apply to fix this problem. Then simply restart your Steam and restart your game, see your problem is fixed or not. If not, then click on the verify integrity of game files. So once you click on that, now this built-in function will start repairing your any corrupted files or any missing files in your game. So after that, you have to just simply restart your PC and see your problem is fixed or not. And if your problem is not fixed, then you can go to the Windows set, type it the update, and if there is any available update for your operating system, simply update it. And you also need to update your graphic card. Go to the Windows set, type it the device manager, open it. Here you will see the device, the display adapter, just open it, you will see your graphic cards, simply update it. If you have the NVIDIA or AMD graphic card, just download the GeForce Experience onto your PC and just update your graphic card with this software. So after the update, if your problem is still not fixing, then the next thing you need to do is just open up the Steam, click on the Steam, and then click on the settings. So guys, once you are on the Steam settings, click on the storage option you are seeing. So now guys, from here click on the three dot option and click on the repair library. So guys, once you click on that, now this built-in function will start repairing your any corrupted files in your Steam, and you have to just simply wait for it. Then you have to simply just restart your Steam and restart your game, see your problem is fixed or not. Then go to the downloads, click on the clear cache, click on the confirm, and once you clear the cache, now the next thing you need to do to fix this problem, if your problem is still not fixed and if you are still getting the error, then go to the Windows type it the run and simply you can type it the temp. Then click on the OK. Now it will give you all the junk files, all the cache files in your PC. You have to just simply delete these files. Just click on the continue and some files won't delete, just you can skip this by checking this box and click on the skip. So guys, after you delete it, now you can go to the Windows search again, type here the run and open it. Now here you can simply type the percentage and 10%. Now guys, it will again give you the all the cache files or the junk files on your PC. It will also cause the first scanner is not launching on your PC. So you have to just simply delete it. After that, just go to the Windows type here the disk cleanup and just open it. So now guys, from here you have to simply select the local DC, click on the OK. Now it will again give you all the cache files or the junk files. You have to select them all, click on the OK and delete these files. So guys, once you delete it, just restart your PC, and after the restart, if your problem is still not fixed, then it may be problem with your Windows. You have to repair the Windows by running the sfc scan now command on your command prompt. And guys, hope these fixings will fix your problem. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.